Hi and welcome back. Images are a great element that you can add to whatever files you're working at. Most of us would do numbers of edits on images only to end up not liking it. Instead of clicking undo over and over again, you can simply right-click on the image, select Reset Image, and there you go. The image snaps back to its original properties, and you can quickly undo multiple changes at once. What about if you like the formatting you've done to your image, the size, layout, the properties, but you want to use another image instead? You can simply right-click on the image, click Replace Image, and upload the image of your choice. There it is! You see the formatting stays the same, but the original image is replaced by your new choice. This feature can be useful for resetting and replacing images with just few mouse clicks. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks and see you on our other videos.